Hi, I'm Connor, and this is a weekly series where I take a guitar lick, break it down, and show you how to play it. This week I'm looking at this really straightforward sweep lick that goes like this. Now, if you've never tried sweep picking before, this is the perfect lick to get in with, because it's really straightforward and you can use it as a bit of an exercise. So, let's take a closer look at what I'm playing with some tab, and I'll show you how to play it. Alright, so this lick is in E minor, and we're actually playing a type of E minor chord based on the D minor chord shape. So I'll show you exactly what it is that I'm doing. Now, what makes this sweep picking as opposed to just a regular lick is my right hand with the pick is just going down and up, just straight down and then straight back up. So starting with this top note. So I'm not picking the notes individually, my hand's literally just falling down the strings and then back up. And it's a really good exercise in getting your hands coordinated together, because both your hands need to be working exactly in sync. Otherwise, you're going to get some flub notes and it's not going to sound right. Now, one thing that I really like about this lick is it doesn't have to be used with, fast, heavier styles of music like metal or rock. You can use it pretty much in anything and it will sound good. It's a good way to kick off a really powerful, strong, Joe Bonamassa style solo. I think it works really, really well. Now, one thing that you can do as well with this lick is you can pair it with other arpeggios. So arpeggios are just broken up chords in the key that you're in. So for example, we've got E minor. The chords we've got D major, C major, B minor. You can get a really cool sound that I think sounds really, really cool. And it's really fun to practice, especially as a sweeping exercise and coordinating your two hands together. So that's my lick of the week for this week. Once you know it, you'll play it pretty much every time you pick up a guitar. It's really, really fun, especially trying to connect it and keep it going as one smooth motion. If there's a lick that you want me to cover, either in the style of an artist or from a particular song, drop them down below and I'll have a look. And make sure to check out next week's Lick of the Week. Thank you.